A good Chodesh, a freilichen Chodesh, to all of our listeners. A checklist of laws to keep in mind today for Rosh Chodesh. On Rosh Chodesh, women do not perform laundry. We do not cut our hair or our nails. Remember to eat a festive meal in honor of Rosh Chodesh. We recite Yalav Yovi in davening. We recite Yalav Yovi in benching. And we learn the kapitel of Tehillim with the commentary of Rashi in correspondence to the verses of one's kapitel of his birthday, in corresponding to one kapitel to one verse per month, or if there are more, then one splits it up based on 12 months, however many psukim are within his kapitel of Tehillim. In today's halacha, we're going to discuss the minhag of not cutting nails and not cutting hair on Rosh Chodesh, as we mentioned moments earlier. So this custom of not cutting the hair and nails on Rosh Chodesh is sourced in the Tzava of Rabbi Yehuda Chassid. In Tzava number 48, he writes regarding hair, and in 49 regarding nails. Rabbi Yehuda Chassid was one of the greatest of the Rishonim. He lived in the 1200s and was a great-grandson of a lineage of great sages, students of Rabbeinu Gershom, the famous Rabbeinu Gershom of Ashkenaz. And this Rabbi Yehuda Chassid, he was the teacher and the Rebbe of many famous Rishonim such as the Or Zarua, the Reikeach, the Smag, and others. He was known for his piety and his great knowledge of Kabbalah, of practical Kabbalah, in which it is said that he used to have a box which contained many different shemus of Hashem, which he had received from his father, who had received it from his father all the time from the Beis HaMikdash. He would fast on Shabbos, he would fast 2 days in Yom Kippur, and he was very well known for his piety, hence his name, Rabbi Yehuda HaChassid. So this Rabbi Yehuda HaChassid wrote a tzava, wrote what's called a will, a testament, which contained many different warnings for his family and for others. So in it he writes that one may not cut his hair and nails on Rosh Chodesh due to danger. This ruling of Rabbi Yehuda HaChassid is brought down in many poskim. It's recorded in the Oila Shabbos, the Magen Avram, chapter 260, the Knesset HaGedolah, the Ber Hetiv, and it's written in the Shulchanaruchharav of the Alter Rebbe in chapter 260, Halacha 1, regarding hair. The other poskim bring it also regarding nails, and hence it became a custom amongst men and women not to cut nails or hair on Rosh Chodesh due to danger. Question and answers related to this custom. If one needs to cut his hair or nails for the sake of a mitzvah, such as is relevant to women at certain times of the month, may it be cut on Rosh Chodesh? So the answer is yes, they may cut it on Rosh Chodesh, and the reason is brought in the Tehillah of David, chapter 260, Halacha 1, because one who does a mitzvah does not know of any evil that will befall him, and therefore he is protected from this warning of Rabbi Yehuda HaChassid. Regarding other body hair, may one cut other body hair or shave other body hair on Rosh Chodesh? The answer is yes. The Azhara, warning of Rabbi Yehuda HaChassid, was only relevant to the hair of the head and the beard, and not to the hair of the body. Regarding if one began cutting his hair and nails on Rosh Chodesh and then remembered that it's Rosh Chodesh, what is he to do? So it's brought down in the Eishel Avram, of Butchash, and the Kseit Shulchan, that if one already began cutting his nails or hair, then he may continue to cut the remainder, and Hashem will protect him since it was a mistake. And this applies even if he only began cutting a small amount. Regarding cutting the hair and nails in honor of Shabbos, such as when Rosh Chodesh falls on Erev Shabbos, so the Alter Rebbe records there in chapter 260, Halacha 1, and it's recording many other poskim, that many are accustomed to not cut their hair, even in honor of Shabbos, even when Rosh Chodesh falls on Erev Shabbos. However, the Alter Rebbe does not write what to do regarding nails. So practically, the machlekes and poskim, if one is allowed to cut his nails on Erev Shabbos, which is Rosh Chodesh, and based on the Alter Rebbe, it's inferred that it is permitted to be done, and so rules the Tilu David, the Shara Koilel, and a student of the Tzemach Tzedek in his Sefer Shivim Tmorim. However, this only applies to one who cuts his nails on a weekly basis in honor of Shabbos. However, one who doesn't always cut his nails in honor of Shabbos, then he would not be allowed to cut it when Rosh Chodesh coincides with Shabbos. Other poskim are stringent in all cases, and so rules the Mishnah Berurah and the Halacha Cutting and others.